So go out and find the study. A lot of studies make their raw data available, so go out and get their raw data. And then what are the things that you can add to their study? What are some of the things that interest you about their study that maybe they didn't answer? Well, now if you have the raw data, you can go out and answer it. Or you can collect your own data, right? I'm a little further along in my career, and I have a different focus. So I run my own surveys. I pay people to go out and give me their data, right? Get their opinions on things. So, maybe you're not in a position to do that, but you can go out and start doing your own research, your own reading, your own creativity on coming up with your own projects. Okay, so that's why I always tell people, I don't get project ideas. Every once in a while, I'll post one to Instagram. Like I posted one last Friday, I think, where I saw an article that was perfect for a study. Like when I was doing this, when I was going through this process of building my skills, that is an article that I would 100% have written an article about. Done my own research, done my own study, and wrote an article about it. So the articles are out there.